Hello children, welcome back for the other video class. Please like and subscribe the channel for the further videos. Meena's back with the subject English. Topic Momos for grade 3 page number 106 to 109. So we have a play here. People in the play storyteller are Momos, Athena, Poseidon and Zeus. So let me start the explanation about this play. This is a play based on a Greek story. Momus is a kind of a person who always finds faults in everyone, who has made something, and he is the god of writer and poets. The play has Athena, the goddesses of strength and wisdom, Poseidon, the god of sea, and Zeus, of the chief of gods. The three gods are having a quarrel about what can make something perfect, and they did not notice Momos who passed by them. Momos was assumed to see the gods quarreling among them, and they said that they could have made the most perfect thing. Momos offered to be the judge as he was the god of writers and poet. Poseidon says that Momos find faults with everything. Momos says that it was not true and that he only helped by his good advice. All the three of them show what they had made. The three of them praised each other for their creation. Momos offered to judge the wonderful, beautiful, and marvelous thing made by three of them. Momos, after seeing the beautiful house, told that the house would have been nice if it had wheels, and when questioned, told that the house could be moved if the neighbors were not good. This disappointed Athena. Next, Zeus showed the man he had made. He told that the man was almost perfect, but the man would have been better if the man had a window for it. If there was a window, the neighbors could see the man's heart, and if he did not like them, they could find out and keep out of his way. So, a window as useful. Momo's judgment upset Poseidon and did not want to hear anything because Poseidon thought Momos would say something unpleasant about the bull he had made. Momo said that it was not like what they thought. Poseidon was happy because he thought all agreed and liked the bull he made. But Momos, as usual, found faults about the eyes of the bull. All the three of them were angry and said that Momos was jealous and nothing was good enough for him. Momos told them he was only helping them and that he would not lie to please them. So children, this was the explanation about this play Momos. The moral of this play is never be jealous, always be positive and never hurt anyone. Kindly go through with this play twice. You will understand my explanation much better. Again, see you in the next video class. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe and thank you very much.